Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to deposit from Robinhood to DSJ on mobile. Transferring crypto from Robinhood to DSJ might look straightforward, but this is one of those processes where a small mistake can cost you everything. You're dealing with real blockchain transactions here. That means once you hit send, there's no cancel button, no reversal, no second chance. On top of that, apps like Robinhood have specific rules about which assets you can send and how transfers work, so you need to understand both sides before moving your funds. Log into your DSJ app, then tap Assets. This is your wallet inside DSJ, as it shows balances and allows deposits and withdrawals. Next, tap Deposit. Select the asset you want to deposit. For this example, Bitcoin, then copy the wallet address shown. After that, launch the Robinhood app. Tap the search button. Search and click on Bitcoin. You must choose the same asset you selected in DSJ. Then, tap Send. Paste the deposit address you copied earlier. Double check the address carefully. Now, input how much BTC you want to send. Start with a small test amount. Then, once the confirmation tab appears, tap Submit. What happens next? Robinhood processes the transfer, Bitcoin network confirms it, and funds appear in your DSJ account. To summarize, depositing from Robinhood to DSJ involves copying your deposit address from DSJ, going to Robinhood, selecting Bitcoin, clicking Send, pasting the address, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. Accuracy and patience are key. And that's how to deposit from Robinhood to DSJ exchange. The steps are simple, but the responsibility is on you to get them right. Never rush transfers, always double check everything, and start small until you're confident. Because in crypto, being careful isn't optional, it's what keeps your money safe. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.